This is pretty crazy. It's a horrible day. We've got lots of wind and torrential rain, so there's water everywhere, but I'm really keen to try out my new Volantex Ranger 1600. It's like a big Bixler, I guess. Let's see how it goes. I got 4S 3000. That's awesome. That's flying nicely in a big gust. Oh, very nice. Flying beautifully. Below half throttle, and it will cruise around. I've got heaps of control. I've got nice digital Metal Gear servos all around. Knots of speed. Gliding now. Current sensor. This is perfect. Love it. This is exactly what I hoped it would do. I hoped it would be like a big, solid Bixler, and it is. Six amps at the moment, and that's plenty. It's going fast. I'm only on half throttle, below half throttle. I can back it off a bit. Flying inverted without any problems. Great roll rate. Don't know why this plane isn't more popular. I think it is absolutely awesome after a minute of flying it. I think it's brilliant. I'm in heaps of wind. And it's handling it beautifully. It's got about the wingspan of a Bixler 3, but a longer fuselage by a fair bit. Bigger control surfaces. This is so cool. Goes 20 amps full bore, so 40 amp ESC is absolutely fine. There we go. This wind is confusing it. Gliding now. Should try a stall. Okay, pulling back, pulling back. There's the stall, nice and controlled. Just picks up lift again. Stall again. There's the stall, nothing outrageous happening, that's great. My new favourite plane. See if I can drop the flapper-ons. Flapper-ons down. And we catch it. Awesome. This is fantastic. I love it. Look at the wind. We've got 15 to 20 knot wind. And this is brilliant. This is the Volantex Ranger 1600 from Banggood. Highly recommended. 2836 1100 kV motor, and the supplied prop, which is 8x4 I think. Digital Metal Gear servos everywhere. It's a really nice build. All the components are really good. The only bad point is the motor mount is a bit pathetic. We sort of have to strengthen that. No bad behaviour at all. Hardly any adverse yaw that I can tell in this turbulent wind. Cruises around beautifully. I've got to try it on 3S, haven't I? It's got buckets of power on 4S. Let's try it on 3S. Ah. That went in a bit hard. Did it scoop up much? That's the only thing. It'll sort of... Oh, it's not too bad. It sort of stays up out of the water. Alright, we've got 3S 3000 now. I've moved the battery right up into the nose to balance it. That's feels nice and light. Let's go again. Yeah, no problems on 3S too. I'm up over half throttle now. 7 amps. Keep an eye on it. 5 amps, half throttle now. Well, that's hearing off downwind. It's fine. 3 amps. This is going to be an efficient, great flying plane. I'm wrapped with this. I was a little bit concerned because the first Volantex Ranger that I tried, the 1.2 metre, was the worst plane I've ever flown. It was pretty much unflyable out of the box, with a really bad thrust angle, inefficient rudder. It's just gliding now, look at that. This is the exact opposite. It's brilliant. Just works perfectly. 3S or 4S. Woo!